Designing sculptural outdoor and indoor lanterns from rusted metal and reclaimed wood captures the powerful intersection of industrial character, sustainable design, and high-end modern decor, making it a compelling subject for a YouTube audience actively searching for unique upcycling ideas, industrial lighting inspiration, and profitable handmade home decor projects. In a digital landscape where keywords like reclaimed wood lanterns, rusted metal decor, industrial outdoor lighting, modern rustic home accents, and eco-friendly handmade furniture consistently generate strong interest, this transformation speaks directly to viewers who crave authenticity blended with refined craftsmanship. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The process begins with a shift in perception, seeing rust not as decay but as texture, not as damage but as depth. Weathered sheet metal, marked by oxidation and time, carries visual complexity that cannot be replicated by factory finishes. When thoughtfully integrated with the organic warmth of reclaimed wood, that rugged surface becomes a focal point rather than a flaw, creating sculptural lanterns that feel intentional, contemporary, and emotionally resonant. The foundation of these lanterns lies in careful material selection. Rusted metal sheets salvaged from old roofing panels, industrial siding, or forgotten machinery are chosen not randomly, but with a discerning eye for patina variation, thickness, and structural integrity. Each sheet is examined for character lines, subtle color transitions from deep amber to burnt sienna, and the natural patterns formed by oxidation. At the same time, reclaimed wood beams or planks, perhaps sourced from pallets, barnwood, or renovation offcuts, are selected for grain definition and stability. The interplay between steel and timber defines the aesthetic direction. Industrial grit meets organic calm. By encasing rusted sheet metal within clean, geometric wooden frames, we fuse two contrasting materials into a unified modern design language that appeals strongly to audiences searching for modern rustic lanterns or industrial farmhouse lighting. Precision joinery becomes the quiet hero of the transformation. While the metal carries expressive texture, the reclaimed wood frame must communicate discipline and balance. Accurate milling ensures straight edges and uniform thickness, allowing tight joints that emphasize minimalism rather than distraction. Mitered corners, reinforced with hidden dowels or floating tenons, create seamless transitions that elevate the lantern from rustic craft to high-end sculptural decor. The clean geometry of the wooden enclosure acts as a visual anchor, framing the unpredictable rust patterns like artwork within a gallery frame. This deliberate contrast between organic irregularity and precise structure enhances perceived value, aligning the finished lanterns with contemporary interior trends where simplicity and raw authenticity coexist. Surface treatment further refines the transformation. Acid washing techniques can be used to subtly manipulate the rusted metal's texture, deepening tonal variation while stabilizing the surface to prevent flaking. Rather than erasing corrosion, this controlled enhancement preserves its story while ensuring durability for indoor and outdoor use. A protective clear coat seals the metal, maintaining its matte, weathered aesthetic without compromising longevity. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Similarly, reclaimed wood is sanded just enough to remove splinters while retaining tactile authenticity. Natural oil finishes or matte sealants highlight grain patterns without introducing artificial gloss, reinforcing the eco-conscious identity of the piece. The result is a lantern that feels grounded, sophisticated, and intentionally crafted rather than improvised. Lighting integration transforms these sculptural forms into functional art. Whether designed to house LED pillar candles, concealed strip lighting, or warm filament bulbs, the illumination source is carefully positioned to interact with both materials. Light filtering through perforated rusted metal panels casts intricate shadows, enhancing depth and atmosphere in both indoor and outdoor settings. The wooden frame softens the industrial edge, diffusing brightness into a warm glow that complements modern minimalist interiors, patios, or entryways. This interplay between light and texture strengthens the lantern's appeal as a high-end decor item, aligning it with popular searches for ambient outdoor lighting, handcrafted lantern decor, and sustainable modern home accessories. Beyond aesthetics, durability is essential for market viability. Rusted metal, once stabilized and sealed, offers remarkable resilience against environmental elements. Reclaimed hardwood, when properly treated, withstands humidity and temperature fluctuations, making these lanterns suitable for patios, balconies, and garden spaces. Emphasizing this durability enhances buyer confidence, particularly for those seeking outdoor rustic lighting that combines style with practicality. In an era where consumers prioritize long-lasting, eco-friendly purchases, the promise of sustainability paired with structural strength significantly increases perceived value. From a business perspective, transforming weathered scrap into high-end lanterns reveals a compelling profit strategy. Rusted sheet metal and reclaimed wood are often inexpensive or even freely sourced, drastically lowering production costs. However, when combined through thoughtful design and meticulous craftsmanship, these materials command premium pricing in artisan markets and online platforms. Buyers are not merely purchasing lighting, they're investing in a narrative of transformation, sustainability, and artistry. Each lantern tells a story of rebirth, converting discarded industrial remnants into refined decor that elevates living spaces. This emotional dimension resonates deeply in today's marketplace, where consumers seek meaning alongside aesthetics. The SEO advantage of such a project lies in its multidimensional appeal. It naturally integrates high-ranking phrases like industrial lantern design, reclaimed wood lighting, rusted metal home decor, sustainable outdoor lanterns, and modern rustic craftsmanship. By weaving these concepts seamlessly into storytelling and demonstration, content creators can attract viewers interested in DIY industrial projects, eco-friendly home upgrades, and profitable upcycling ideas. The transformation itself provides compelling visual contrast, from rough scrap to polished sculpture, enhancing click-through rates and audience retention. What ultimately distinguishes these lanterns is their sculptural presence. Even unlit, they function as standalone art pieces, embodying a balance of strength and serenity. The rigid geometry of the wooden frame contrasts with the organic unpredictability of rust, symbolizing harmony between human precision and natural aging. This philosophical undertone adds depth, making the lantern more than decor. It becomes a conversation piece that reflects contemporary values of sustainability and authenticity. In high-end interiors, such elements serve as focal points that anchor minimalist spaces with warmth and narrative richness. Eco-conscious craftsmanship drives significant market value because it aligns with evolving consumer priorities. As environmental awareness grows, buyers increasingly favor products that reduce waste and celebrate reuse. Demonstrating how reclaimed wood and rusted metal can be transformed into elegant lighting reinforces the message that sustainable design does not compromise luxury. Instead, it enhances it. The raw materials carry visible history, and when framed with precision, that history becomes a mark of exclusivity rather than imperfection. Each lantern is inherently unique, shaped by the specific rust patterns and grain variations of its components, offering individuality that mass-produced items cannot replicate. In bridging industrial grit with organic warmth, these sculptural lanterns embody the essence of modern eco-luxury. They stand as proof that thoughtful design and disciplined craftsmanship can elevate humble materials into refined, sellable art. By emphasizing precision joinery, acid-wash textures, and balanced composition. The process demonstrates how creativity transforms overlooked scrap into desirable decor that commands both admiration and profit. For viewers and makers alike, the message is empowering. Sustainable artistry is not only environmentally responsible, but commercially viable. Through careful execution and inspired vision, rusted metal and reclaimed would transcend their origins, illuminating spaces with beauty, depth, and enduring value. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.